Excellency.
International TV.
Wow, the future leaders are marching for better future. This is amazing. We are indeed so grateful for this Augustine gathering. They are marching because today is a special day designed for them. For the first time it's happening in the West Coast region. It's time for national anthem, as you can see. International TV.
By the center.
Bravo! Very good, nicely done, dressed. Thank you very much.
In the presence of us, so I think it's a bravo to everybody who has participated in this program.
Hello, Mr. President.
I thank the teachers, I thank the admin, and everybody who participated here, especially the ex-students. The ex-students, really, they have done a good job for us this year. So, bravo for them. And the scouts also, and the people was here, they was very nicely. They are still on the my pass, coming down, going for their second round. Goal is on the shot.
After they assembled, the prayers would be led by various denominations. Then we have the speech given by the president.
International TV, Jaling Ali Kunton he, Allah Lodulale Niya.
Subscribe, like, and share because more educative things are coming. Is the best.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos.
Let's get use your voice to change the world. Use your voice to change the world through VM International TV.
VM International TV, Jaling Ali Kunton he, Allah Lodulale Niya.
Subscribe, like, and share because more educative things are coming. Is the best.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos.